Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. NUZE hitting our profit taking at the moment around the $4.95. NY or NUZE, one of the stock that we traded today, guys. We have almost 100% on this entry around the $2.15 for NUZE. Great hunt, guys, for NUZE. It was today on our live streaming for today that we did early on our Discord. NUZE was on the top list. We discussed it before we close our live streaming for today, and we discussed the support. We said it's still looking good as long as we hold the current support. As you can see here, we did this alert. We said the 199 is the support, breakout is the $2.29, profit taken is around the $2.85 and beyond. So this one was on our watch list live streaming today and is still pumping right now. We should actually close our trade because it hit all our profit taken, and there's a chance for a pullback before the market open because right now is 300%. SYTA, the same, is pumping 10%. We already did this update for SYTA. It was just 5%. Now it's 10%. It's about to squeeze everybody. So I'm watching SYTA. This one is pumping from a major bottom around the 40 cents. We have PIRS. This one we already discussed in the pre-market, but we didn't break the 15. We entered around this bottom reversal and we took profit early. And BBLG, of course, the same. We entered around the bottom. We took profit around the 230. And now SGMO is squeezing everybody. Doing really great right now because it broke the 69 and is going toward the 90 cents. Everybody, this one is going toward the 90 cent at the moment. Yeah, 89 or 90 cents. This is where we're gonna get rejected for SGMO. So we have only 5 stocks to watch, everybody. SYTA is pulling back a bit, and this one, guys, will make sure to close the trade because I don't want to be greedy here for this trade. We entered a small position, guys, just 321 shares, because this is the limited shares that we could buy for this stock. Look at this. This one was really good, guys, in the pre-market. We have the breakout here, as you see, around the 240, and we squeezed. We squeezed big time for NUZE. Good morning, everybody. Let us see. We have 2 hunters for today, JB and Ronnie Mac. Welcome to our new members for today, new hunters on our YouTube membership. Thank you for the support. Now you are officially a hunter because you have the star next to your name for Ronnie and JB. Good morning. JB, he commented for the first time, I think. Ronnie, nothing. Ronnie is just watching, I think. He's a bit shy. Ronnie, don't be shy. Ronnie, don't be shy, man. Comments. Let us be friends. Oh man, hologram. Yeah, we discussed it yesterday, guys. Hologram. We discussed it yesterday because one of our hunter asked us, Dave asked us about hologram. And guess what? Once we did the chart, we broke and we got rejected around the first profit taking the 69. That's why we pulled back. We got question here. Holo spike volume, maybe worth looking. Thank you, Bran. Thank you, Bran. Nothing much. We're still below the 70 cents. Nothing much for hologram. Yes, yesterday it was good trade. For now, we have to keep watching NUZE and SYTA. Guys, this one have a really small float, so it could squeeze. Look at this. This is really crazy. We just have 4.36 million. not that big. And as everybody knows, the low float stocks have a easy chance for a squeeze. This one has been pulling back, and every time we have this kind of pullback, we have a jump of almost 50%. We have here spike 50%. You see what's happened here, guys? This one spike every time 100% or 90%. So we expect a jump of 50% at least. If we have a jump of 50%, we're gonna go until the 70 cent for this one. That's why we have two targets for SYTA. Guys, NUZE, it could be time to exit because right now we have a bit of weakness here. We have accumulation. It's overextended. You see here, we have a huge overextension for NUZE. We could do train stop for this one and ride it more, but the best way is to close it right now, to be honest, because this one we entered just there, guys, around this accumulation where we spotted the reversal. Once we saw this, it was here. We suggest for entry around the bottom, the $2. We held. Then once we finish our live streaming, we suggest to take profit around the 3 and the 4. And that's why we're hitting our ultimate profit right now around the 486, at least for now. That's why we suggest for an exit right now for NYZE because we anticipate a pullback, guys, for this one. Should have a pullback. We need a pullback for better entry. NUZE insider bought shares worth almost 1 million according to recent SEC filing. Whoa. We have almost 700K. We have yeah, the 10Q report. We got some news for this one. Okay, not bad, guys. We have many news for this one, and the news is good. So for NUZE, guys, it's better, I think, for us to close it because we anticipate a flush before the market open, and we have to focus on the other stocks. Yeah. So as we said, NUZE, it was a great trade in the pre-market before the market open, guys. That's why we have almost 100% on this trade. So now we're gonna close it before a flush. We close this trade at the moment. And if you're wondering, this one, as we said, guys, we traded today on our exclusive live streaming where we spotted NUZE around this bottom support. And we discuss for the reversal price. As you can see here, we said the breakout to happen for NUZE is around the $2.29. Support is 199. Profit taking, we said the $2.85 and almost the $3 something. Let me just check here. Yes, let me just check again back. Yeah, almost around the $3.80 or $4. $3.80, then the $4.89. Yes. So now it's pulling back. SYTA is 11% right now, guys. SYTA, the stock that could squeeze and it didn't squeeze yet, is just 11% for SYTA. This one could make the short cover once we break the 55.80 or around the 86 cent. For SYTA, we receive almost 1.2 million an order from AMC customer. So we have really good news for SYTA. The other one, PIRS, the same. We hunted in pre-market. PBLG, the same. This one is overextended. So it's a bit risky to enter right now. We're waiting for a pullback. Is overextended, but 78, not bad for this one. So yeah, let us see. NYZE is pulling back. Let's see if we have another stock is jumping right now. Nothing much, guys. This is it. This is the list for today. Nothing much, nothing more. Let me just do a very quick run for the stocks that we traded last week, like AMIX and the other. Okay, nothing much happening here. We don't have unusual activity for those stocks. Perfect. So we could focus on just those guys. SYTA is moving 12% right now. Be careful. This one looking good, guys. Good morning. We have ALLR, DRMA, BBLG, I already discussed it. HOTH. DRMA, yes, it's hit with the big resistance around the $4. I don't like the technical that much for now. We have the bottom here over the $2.30, $1.90, but it's tricky to trade. ALR, on the other hand, is not that good anymore. We broke the support. So we still have those stocks, guys, NYZE and SYTA. The other two candidates that look good for market open is BBLG and PRS. Both of them, we trade them today, guys, on our live streaming for today. We spotted NUZE, we spotted BBLG to buy the dip around the 166. We have BBLG and the other one, I think, PIRS. This one was really good to buy the dip after we have a pullback. Yes, the pullback happened there, everybody, exactly there. We entered here around the 211 and we took profit before the $15. As you can see here, it was good to buy the dip around the $2.24. And we waited for the pullback, of course. You see here, we waited for the pullback. The pullback happened, we entered. Even for NUZE, we entered around the pullback. For PI, as you see here, we said the PIRS is good to buy the dip. We calculated even the dip around the 2.24. So it was really good dip to buy. PRS, yeah, here, NUZE, we bought exactly around the 197, guys, just over the $2. And we said this is the support that we should hold for NYZE or NUZE. BBLG, we bought after the breakout. As you can see here, BBLG, it was really good to buy here. It was really a good active market today for BBLG, PRS, and NUZE. We have three stocks. We did good at those stocks, guys. Guys, hit the like button and the way in. We always go live every day, every day. And again, shout out to JB and Ronnie Mack, the new members to our YouTube membership. Let's see. And again, guys, if you want to have early access to our Discord before this YouTube live streaming, we always go early, 2 hours and 30 minutes to discuss the market and hunt together. So I just put the link in the live chat section. And of course, you not gonna have just live streaming, but you're gonna have Zoom meeting with me. You're gonna have swing trades, request stocks. You can request a stock for me to review for you. But for the elite is way better because you can request at any time during the market open. For the king and the discipline hunter, you could request on the pre-market. Okay. That's why we have live alert only for the elite and monthly meeting, not just one. Like for the king, you have just one meeting, Zoom meeting. However, for the elite, monthly. So it's good to follow up on your trade and be better trader to pick the elite level. Once you join our Patreon, you're gonna have access to our Discord, everybody. So What's going on? SYTA looking interesting right now. The bottom where the market maker bought it was around 40 cents, and now we have to make the short cover around the 55. Low float, guys, this is just have a 4 million, just 4 million worth of floats. And we have some stock jumped yesterday almost 500% with almost 10 million float. So this is less float, so there's have a chance to jump 50%, as we said, or 100%. If we went 100%, we could jump until the 88. If 50, we could go until the 70 cents. So which one, guys, which one would be the one from those five stocks would be the one? Let me know. Let me know what's your best candidate to squeeze for today market. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like. Don't forget, we're almost hitting the 50,000 like for today. How everybody doing? How everybody doing? Raja Seeker, he said he can't connect Discord. He subscribed yesterday. Raja Seeker, please, can you send me on Patreon here, or just send me your name on Patreon so I will check. I'm gonna send you the invite link on Patreon. SYTA is limited to sell only. Are you? Uh-huh. Okay, guys, just as a reminder, SYTA, if you live in Europe, it will be limited to sell limit only. If you live in the United States, you can buy this one. But in Europe, I think is limited to sell only. So you can't buy, you only can close your trade. And this is not always everybody. Sometimes in Europe, we have this limitation, then the limitation will be lifted to buy the stock. So check it by tomorrow and the next days for possibility to buy this one in Europe. However, in America and United States and Canada, I think you can buy this one. It's not there. There's no problem, I think. Okay, so yeah, market will be open soon. Thank you, Kevin, for remind us about the market. Again, if you hear me, we have a bit of trouble for one of our hunters just joined us yesterday on our Patreon, but he can't link his Patreon to Discord. So please send me a message on Patreon, brother, or send me your name here right now, Raja. What's your name on Patreon? Or the email that you use to link or join our Patreon at. So I could send you a message about the invite and how to do and how to link your Patreon to Discord. So, guys, what a day today. What a day we're gonna have. Let me just check what's gonna happen today. Boom. I'm gonna go on the bookmarks and go here. Let's see how much minutes left at the market open, guys. What's the market will do? 4 minutes. Okay, guys, so the disclaimer before we start our live streaming for today, remember we're not financial advisor. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Remember our live streaming is a bit delayed, and of course, let the price come to you and never run after the price. This is the most important rule. And remember, there's always opportunity in the market, okay? Always. So, guys, as a reminder, we have NUZE and BBLG, all the other stock we traded early in our live streaming today. NUZE, it was perfect entry over the 199. And of course, the profit taken, we just calculated, we said almost 25% around the $2.85 and the other around the $3.80. It was good entry. We already took profit just before the market opened around this level because we anticipate a pullback because now it's overextended. SYTA, guys, one of the low float stock jumping right now 12%, just hit bottom around the 40. There's a chance for a squeeze up, and this one always jump 50% or 100% if it did. we have some level to watch out for. The first one is breaking the 56 for a squeeze. PRS pulling back. I'm still waiting for another entry. PBLG and SNGMO. Those are the only stocks for today, guys. The only stock that we watching. So don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, because we always go live 30 minutes before the market opens. So sharing is caring. So if you have any questions, just drop it down below and let us kick our live streaming for today, Wednesday, the 24th of July. How everybody doing, man? How everybody doing? AMC halt. Oh man, we've got AMC is halted. What's going on? AMC, AMC, AMC. Are you sure it's halted? Let me just check. AMC sees revenue of 1 billion. We've got AMC losses of 32.8 million. We've got Q2 hologram. So AMC, guys, what's going on with AMC? I will check AMC after the market open because some of you said it's halted. We could make sure if it's halted or not right now, guys. AMC is halted with T1, so bending news, guys. Bending news for AMC. News bending. Trading is halted, bending the release of material news again for AMC, guys. Just 4 minutes. 4 minutes from the market open, we have haltation for AMC. So it's not for now. It's not for now. We have to wait a bit. So guys, let's get right to it. The market is about to open. Let's see, and we have a huge day for today. Again, as a reminder, AMC is halted because it's bending news. We've got news is about to be posted for AMC. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna put AMC alert just in case. Everybody, if you are watching AMC, please put alert right now for AMC. Come on, what's going on here? Yes, I'm gonna put alert around the $5.70, guys. I'm gonna forget about it for now. $5.70 alert. NUZE trying to break right now before the market open, guys. SYTA is jumping as well. PIRS. Let's see if we're gonna have a jump. No, it's pulling back. SGMO, market is open, guys. Market is open. SYTA is pumping 12%. Guys, this one is preparing for maybe 30% around the 55. A test. We need a test for SYTA around the 55. NUZE is jumping, guys. NUZE. We have a jump here and we might have a dump. Be careful, guys. We might have a fake out here. So SYTA, nothing much. PIRS, nothing much. PBLG, still nothing much. SGMO, nothing much. Whoa, this one is about to do something here, but man, I don't trust this technical that much for SGMO. Will be really tricky for entry. Man, this one want to flush, man. It really want to flush down. We have a fake out here around the $5. We might get halted down, guys, for NUZE. That's why we suggested to exit before the market open. If we broke this trend here around this flag, we're gonna have a flush down toward the $3. Yeah, yeah, flushing coming out. Flush, flush, flush. Let's go. SYTA volume not bad, almost 1.5 million, but it's still not enough. We might have dark pool action and jumping 15% quickly for SYTA. This is always the case. It's barcoding, then a huge pump. So be on the lookout for SYTA. PRS, don't like it that much. BBLG, it tried to break right now. BBLG, guys, BBLG looking good. And I think we're halted for BBLG right now. SGMO, we have the breakout at the moment. Okay, BBLG, I think is halted, guys. BBLG and RGC. We've got mini stock got halted. AMC halted with T1 code, bending news, and the rest NXTT, BBLG, and RGC with LUDP, which is volatility trading pause. So BBLG is halted, guys, around the 260. Let us see RGC if it's halted up or down. It's halted up, but is light on volume. The other one, NXTT. I think this one halted down. So yeah, we only have those stocks, guys. SYTA, we got almost 13%. BBLG is the one to watch right now. We already traded this one in the pre-market, guys. BBLG, we already traded this one in the pre-market. Okay, BBLG, we have an entry before the market open, guys. The second entry again for BBLG. Now trading of BBLG is temporarily halted by the Nasdaq, guys. So we've got a resistance to break exactly there. So be on the lookout. After the unhalting, we might test the $2.85 and get rejected. So if we broke without rejection, it means we're gonna squeeze. So how much we missing here? We close around the 260. So yeah, exactly 10%. So we might get halted again exactly here after the unhalting. 10%, guys, as everybody knows, if the stock jump 10%, it gets halted because of that. 10%. This is it. Okay, PIRS, the same, is jumping from the resistance, guys, and maybe got halted as well. PIRS, whoa, halted as well. Guys, we have BBLG and PRS, both of them halted up. SYTA, 48.88, guys, 14%. Be careful, this one is loading up slowly. Slowly and steadily. This one looking all right. Guys, NUZE, time for flush, I think. It was wise to exit from this trade. It was perfect for entry in the pre-market, guys. Before the market opened, it was good here. If you entered with us, you could have made 100% on this trade in just 1 hour. Imagine, man, this is crazy jump. Crazy jump that we did. As you can see here, to the entry, we discussed it early on our Discord, early on our live streaming that we do daily for our Discord members. So yeah, NUZE, if you're wondering when, or you tell me, Jesus, it's too late. Yes, it's too late already, because you have to wake up early and hunt with us for this dip. It was perfect for entry around the $2, man. Now it's flashing, you see? Now it's flashing down. It should flush, of course. It's risky a bit, but still looking good. It's not flashing, but correction around the $3. So we're gonna have a correction. SYTA, guys, 14%. SYTA looking pretty good. PRS and BBLG is still halted. Both of them are halted, guys. BBLG, we have a little entry. Let us see SYTA if we could buy this one as well, because some of you said it's just buy them. It's just for buy only. We could buy it. Oh man. Yes, SYTA has been limited to selling shares only. I think this is only in Europe, guys, not in United States. So if you're in United States, I think there's no problem. So BBLG, guys, is still halted. BBLG is still halted. If GMO, I don't like it anymore, guys. I'm gonna take it from the list. So I'm gonna keep SYTA, PRS, and BBLG. PRS, I think, is unhalted now. No, it's still halted. Still halted. Nice. So BBLG is still halted, guys. Let us see which one. Theodore. Theodore is really hard to tell, man. It depends on breaking the resistance first. Andrea asked about AMC. What's going on? AMC got halted, Andrea, because there's news bending for AMC. It got halted, as you can see here. If you just came in, guys, AMC halted with T1 reason code. The T1 reason code is for news bending. Okay, bending news. So they're waiting for the news. That's why we put alert around the resistance. That's why we don't check it out for now. PRS and BBLG is still halted, guys, with LUDP volatility trade pulse. Okay, NUYZ is still pulling back. I'm still waiting for those two to jump. Let us see your question, guys, because we have two stocks getting halted right now. Norma asked about AZTR. Norma asked about AZTR. I'm gonna check it for you. I'm gonna check it for you. George, my brother, Lucid and Raven, of course. So let us wait, or let me just check AZTR very quick. Because it was the top gainer before and flushed 74%. Guys, if you remember this one, we discussed it, it went almost around the $12 from the $2. So this one did 600%. Now is squeezing down, man. This is one, it went crazy down, 80%. For now, I don't suggest anybody to buy it. But now we have to see, wait a second. Yeah, BIRS is unhalted, I think, guys. Yes, is unhalted. PIRS, guys, is squeezing. PIRS is squeezing up. PIRS is squeezing up, guys. So we have a little entry as well for PIRS. So now is time to take a bit of profit, guys, for PRS because we might get shorted at any time. The top target, of course, is around the 19, but I prefer to take profit before, guys. I don't trust it to go directly around the 19. It's really risky. So it's better to take profit on this one at any time right now. Let me just check here. Yes, it's pulling back big time. I'm gonna put support for this one. We could ride it, guys. If we held over the 14.95, this one could jump more. PRS looking good. If we held the 14.95, is mean this one will squeeze up at least around the 18. We'll give it a bit of time. Let's see. 16.64. Yeah, be ready, guys, to take profit on this one because 21% is not bad. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna let's see if we're gonna have a little jump. After that will be over. If we went near around the 19 would be over for today, I think. For now, 1750 PRS. BBLG, I think, is still halted. Yeah, BBLG is halted. So guys, I think managing two trade is really hard. So I might close this one to focus on BBLG. Yeah, would be good. Still This one is still looking good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close it right now. So I'll close PIRS. Now we're gonna go to BBLG because it's halted as well. Not bad for this one, guys. BBLG. I'm gonna focus on BBLG now. Yes, BBLG is unhalted and still squeezing. Make sure to take profit on BBLG as well, guys. Looking pretty good right now for a profit because the target is around the $4.47, and I think we got halted again for BBLG. And this one, PRS, I think is okay for now. Yes, this is it for now for PRS. BBLG is halted again. Let us check again which the stock that got halted. So we got BBLG and AMC, of course. AMC is still halted. So BBLG is still halted. So the next time after we get unhalted, I'm gonna close the trade here around the 447 because right now we are 56%. Again, we have limited shares to buy, just 332 for this one. And the best entry was in the pre-market, guys, for this one. BBLG was on our pre-market hunt. SYTA is pulling back a bit. We have a short seller, I think. I'm gonna lower this resistance right now around 49. We spotted another seller, guys, for this one. SYTA, the seller is around the 49, just before the 50. We've got the 56 is the resistance or the profit taken. Let's say profit taken here. So big seller just came just before the 49 for SYTA. AZTR or AZTR, we got requested stock for this one. So for this one, if we jumped, we've got few level to exit at. The first one is there around the 160. After that, $2.16 and the $3.13. But now we have to break the 140 in order to squeeze. So yeah, we have to watch only those stocks for now, guys. Only those stocks. PIRS and BBLG is the one for today. Hit the like, everybody. T1 halt again, guys. We've got T1 halt for AMC. T1 halt for AMC, everybody. Again, as a reminder, NUZE was on our watch list and live streaming hunt. The entry was around the $2, guys, for NUZE. The other stock that we traded, it was BBLG, which is still halted right now, up around the $3.54. We got a really good entry for BBLG in the pre-market. If we go on the pre-market live streaming and go to BBLG to show you where we entered and exited and entered again for BBLG, it was around this bottom, guys. It was really good to buy BBLG at. And then we updated the chart for BBLG. We said here the resistance, as you can look, guys, we said 166 is support and the $2.30 is the resistance. And we have a good reversal. You see here, we said this is the support and resistance is up to go toward the 447, $2.85 and 447. And guess what? Now it's $3.50. If we got unhalted, guys, just near the 4, make sure to exit very quickly because the 4 should be the limit for BBLG to squeeze down. I will be ready to exit from this trade anytime soon, guys, because it's already went too much up. Yeah, and 56% is not bad, even though we entered with small position. So, guys, BBLG is halted and it's getting near a big resistance. And again, we waiting for the unhalting. So the only one that looked good right now is BBLG. PIRS, it was good to exit, guys, around the 1748. That's why we pulled back now. It was great exit because right now we pulling back. Let's see if we hold over the 1429. It's halted, guys, halted down exactly around the 1469. BBLG, I'm still waiting for the unhalting. BBLG should be here. SYTA still. So BBIG, yes. We're waiting for this one to get unhalted, guys. This is it. I will be ready to exit very quickly with my position. What's gonna be, guys? Halted up or down? $3.54. We go toward the almost the $5 would be $4 would be good. Yeah, we're missing almost 10% or 15% toward the 4. Oh man, this one will be crazy dangerous, man. Crazy dangerous. So it's better to close it right at the unhalting, just in case. Let's see, AMC is back or not, or still halted. Whoa, AMC is unhalted, guys, unhalted, but it went down instead of up. AMC just went back, guys. It is unhalted. Be careful, guys. We need to hold over the 468 now. BBLG, nothing much, is still unhalted or halted. SYTA, light on volume. As we discussed, guys, we have a little resistance now to break around the 49. This is would be the first trigger for SYTA. This one could jump 50 or 100%, guys. It happened before. We might have it again. We're waiting for BBLG to get unhalted, guys. We still waiting for this big trade, man. Big trade to have action. Trading or PBLG is temporarily halted. Let's see what's gonna be. What's gonna be? $3.54. If we gapped up toward the $3.80, would be good to exit just before the 4. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Guys, SYTA is doing all right. We already discussed this trade, guys, in the pre-market Discord hunt. It was great. Again, if you want to join us, guys, here on Patreon, you can join us on Patreon and pick the king or the elite for access to our early live streaming to have better entry for BBIG. BBLG, it was perfect entry on the pre-market. We said the 1 or 66 is the support. As you see here, we said this is the support, the breakout $2.30, profit taken 280, and the $4.47. It was on our Discord live streaming for today. And now we've got almost 56% on this trade. And we're waiting for the unhalting, guys, because this one is halted around the $3.54. And of course, after the halting, I'm exiting quickly because we anticipate a pullback before the $4, guys. Again, greed is not good sometimes. You have to close your trade because sometimes the market is go up and up and up. And if you don't have a target to exit, you lose all the profit that you made. So the idea here to have a target, I'm not saying take 10% and run. No, sometimes we could do 100%. Sometimes we do 1000%. So the gain is unlimited if the technical give us the opportunity to expand our profit. So it's not greed, you know, it's kind of paradoxical sometimes in trading, you know. Don't be greedy, but maximize your gain, and don't care about the money, but have a stop loss. So there's always a paradox here. and we're still waiting. PPLG. SYTA, guys, this one, the support is not that strong, so I don't trust the support that much. I'm more vigilant around the breakout here around the 49, because if we have a 5 minute candle close over this orange line, this one will give us confirmation for a jump around the 55 at least. After that, the 63. So now we've got a seller, big seller coming in around the 49. This one have a low float, guys. SYTA have a low float. This low float stock could squeeze how much? Just 4.36 million. And the stock that we have yesterday, oh man, BBLG is unhalted. Oh brother, whoa, shooting up again. Okay guys, I'm gonna exit right now, guys. Almost 69% or 70% on this trade. This is madness. This is really madness. We're hitting our profit taken, $4.20. Okay, this is it, almost 80% on this trade. This is really crazy, man. I'm gonna exit right now. Yeah, this is it. Huge wick around the $4.49. So this is it, guys. Great hunt for this one. I'm Ari here, guys. I don't trust this trade anymore. I don't trust it here. With this volatility, I don't trust it. So I'm gonna adjust the support here. $2.75. Great, everybody. Great hunt for this one. What else? Great hunt, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. PRS is flashing down. NUZE, nothing much. AMC is flashing down, guys. We have big news right now hitting the market. We've got here AMC Entertainment Holding preview second quarter 2024 result and announced second quarter. We have the second quarter earnings, guys. Total revenue for the quarter ended June to be we have 1 million compared to 1.3. So they actually losing money for the revenue, almost 300,000. Net loss of quarter end in June 2000 to be almost 32 million compared to earnings of 8.6 million for the quarter ended. So they losing, guys, 32 million. We got diluted loss per share for quarter ended June to be almost 0.10 compared to dilution of 0.06. Yeah, so we have more dilution, we have less revenue. That's why AMC is going down, guys. This is not good quarter, to be honest. This is not good. That's why now it's going down big time, just around this level. Yeah, it's easy short for the short seller, to be honest, guys. It's really easy with confident. They shorting with confident right now for AMC. Let me just check here. Yeah, 20%. We might have a dip until the 4. So be careful. AMC have really not good news. That's why it's going down. Let us check here. BBLG, if it's gonna go up. No, it went down. Exactly, man. Hit our profit taking and now hold it down. What a day, man. What a day it was today. Crazy day. It's not about the earning anymore. It's about the revenue, about other things, brother. So we have, as we said, for AMC, the revenue, brother, and dilution, the same revenue and dilution. Let me just check here. Where's, yeah, it's not even the earnings here. The earnings is still around the 8th of August, everybody. But this is the Q. Boom. Yeah, the Q2. We have the Q2 loss. Right through it. We have some kind of mixed news here. Revenue in June compared, we have increase in June compared to April. Anyway, Anywho, for now, guys, we have to be on the sideline. Yeah, we don't have something. Nvidia is pulling back. Let's see this one, PRG. Mm, yeah, Raven is pulling back big time. Raven is going toward the 1512, brother. The resistance is 1888. That's why we pull back. SYTA, the volume is picking up, almost 2 million, but it's pulling back. As we said, 49, we've got hidden seller for SYTA. BBLG, guys, hold it down. It was good entry and exit. As you can see here, we discussed this trade, guys. If you're wondering, we discussed this one on our live streaming Discord live streaming. We said the support is there and the resistance is there. Yeah, BBLG was really great in the pre-market with NUZE the same. We spotted the entry around the 199, profit taken, and a breakout is around the 2.30. So NUZE, it was good for entry in the pre-market and taking profit just before the market opened. We exited there. The other one, PIRS, the same. It was perfect for entry in the pre-market. After breaking this flag, it was perfect. Yeah, we entered there around the support, the 1224. BBLG, the same. It was perfect to entry about this reversal and ride it until now here around the 430. So we have really good three stocks, guys, for today. The other stocks is not that active, is not that good technically. Okay, let's see which stock got halted now. BBLG. Yeah, BBLG is the one that is still halted right now. SYTA, as a reminder, guys, this one is one of the stock that sleep, then jump. Look at this. Always jump of 60% here, 60% there. And we might have another 60% here. If we have it, would be really good for a 60% for SYTA. But we have to be ready for that after we break the 49. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna check a few stocks very quick. Yeah, because we've got many of you asking about SPWR. Let's see if it's good. I think is on the other list. Yeah, not that good for now, to be honest. NASS or NAAS, this one is look better. So maybe I'm gonna put SPWR and this one later, but not for now. Maybe I'm gonna check them later, but not for now. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Remember, we always do our live streaming every day on our Discord. So the link in comment section below if you want to join our Discord and our Patreon, of course. In order to have access to our live streaming, we have Mr. Nazim. Nice hunt, brother, on Mera. Mr. Nazim were hunting with us, Mera and other stock every time and every day. Great hunt, my brother. You deserve the eagle hunt here. Great. Okay, perfect. BBLG is still halted, everybody. Okay. Yeah, we have many stocks is crash, like AMIX dumping down 11%, CGC dumping down, even though we have kind of breakout. So yeah, NAAS looking the only one here on this list that look good. For now, guys, we have to be on the sideline. The market is crazy. To be honest, guys, the pre-market was good for today. The pre-market was the wisest thing to do is today is to trade in pre-market. The better entry was in pre-market. Once the market opened, it was already over for entry, at least for today, guys. Hit the like. We're almost hitting the 60K like. Come on, guys, hit the like. The Olympics will start next weekend or this Wednesday. I don't know when exactly. But yeah, the Olympics in France, everybody. We have the Olympics for the stock market, man. We have Olympics every day. Stock jumping 200%, 1000%. This is our Olympics, I think. BBLG traded 42x float. Oh man, yes, man. It's crazy. It's holding now is unhalted, guys, and it's still holding the current support over the 259. So there's a chance for a reversal right now for BBLG. SYTA still trying to break the 49. Okay, I will check it right now. Raja sent me a message regarding the problem for him to join our Discord. Let me just check, man. Yes, you are the king yesterday. You getting issue by joining the Discord. Yes, you attach the screenshots and even you sent me a message. I can't receive them. Interesting. Okay. Your emails. Let me just check right now, Patreon, if everything's good from this side of my Patreon. Okay, you remember for a day. Yes, everything is okay. I think from my side, you already paid for the king from yesterday. I think I sent you a message. Okay. But why you sent me a message, but they told you to try again? You told me, hi Jesus, good morning, but the message never sent. This is weird. This is kind of weird. Mm. Okay, let me just show you, brother. I think you are, yeah, you're not in our Discord yet. If you are in our Discord, you're gonna have this message, you see, that will be notified that you are inside our Discord. I'm gonna see this welcome message, but you didn't link your picture into Discord, right, brother? So I will check this one from my side. I think there's an issue here. Anyway, hologram, some of you said is trying. Yesterday we discussed hologram for our hunters, guys. Yesterday it was really good because one of our hunter asked about hologram. Dave asked me about hologram yesterday after the reversal, and we suggest to take profit around the 69. We hit the 69 and the price went down very quickly around the 70 cents. You see what's happened? Hit the 70 and went down. So hologram now holding the 49. So we need to hold the 49 to reverse up once again for hologram, but for now is a bit weak. Hit the like, guys. Hit the like button on the way in. BBLG is tricky right now, guys. I don't like it technically. I will stay away from it for now. It was perfect in pre-market and our pre-market hunt. Now is a bit tricky. SYTA is still a bit slow. Okay, Raja, if you can hear me, please can you send like a message to Bitcoin customer service because I think there is a technical issue because you can't send me a message on Patreon even though you paid for our Patreon. And make sure that you join us on Patreon and Discord at the same email, okay? Don't join on Discord with an email and then join with different email on Patreon. This will make it kind of confusing and at the same time have this issue. So yeah, hologram was a great alert from yesterday. How everybody doing, guys? Hit the like, subscribe. We always go live every day, everybody. Every day we going live. Okay, let's see. What a day, man. Today was good in the pre-market for the entry. At least for the entry, everybody. The entry was perfect in the pre-market for many stocks. Like BBLG was perfect for entry in the pre-market before the unhalting here over the 166. Exiting around the 4. For PIRS, the same. It was good to enter on the 211 and exit around the 17. And NUZE was perfect to enter over the $2 and exit around the $5. So this is for today, guys, because now is everything is pulling back big time. So I don't suggest for re-entry. The most important thing is to preserve our gain for now. And of course, we're gonna update you guys on the day trade as usual, because every day we do a short analysis update, as you can see here for many stocks. We call it unicorn hunt is mean day trade, okay? We're gonna do swing trade, and if you are on the elite members, guys, you can send me a message here. As you can see, our hunters always ask us about entry and exit for a hologram. We did yesterday request for Dave. So if you are on the elite, you can have access to our live alerts during the market hours. This is only available to elite members. Okay, and of course you have Zoom meeting for both the king and the elite members. So guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming for now. Thank you for watching and see you, of course, by tomorrow as usual, 30 minutes before the market open and 2 hours before the market open on our Discord and Patreon here. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to hit the like. Let's hit the 100K like for today, guys. We've got 65K. We're missing 100K. So Let's get right to it. Market is pulling back, so don't overtrade, guys. Always preserve your gain. Take your profit on the way. We're gonna discuss AMC halting because it got halted, guys, on the earnings, and some of you said this, we have a good earnings, but investors thinking the same, the opposite, because the price went down 7%. So we have to be extremely careful with AMC and GameStop because it still have a big seller around the resistance that we didn't break yet. You are welcome, Amjad. You are welcome. So, guys, thank you for watching. See you by tomorrow.